Well, hello there and welcome back once again to 7mm Sidings and Bench Road. I'm going to have another running session today. I never pre-plan what I'm going to do, so it's as much as a surprise to me as it will be to you. So without further ado, let's go run some trains. See you at the end of the video. Bye. I've come up to the bridge because the 08 was blocking my view of everything, so looking down the yard, we've still got the 08 there and the 47, 33 still sitting there as well. Oh. Yep, 33 is going now anyway. See what else is going to happen. I'm still watching for this 08 to come back through. The crew's still in there and we're waiting for that. There's lots of activity in the other yard as well. In the top yard just beyond the bridge, so 25 come through. That's going up for the catfish by the looks of that. I think I'll make my way back down and go down to the bottom. Come back down by the wall now, and it's all kicked off here this afternoon. We've got the 25 gone back down there. 47 still sitting in the middle road at the moment, and oh, the 08 looks like that's going somewhere. It's coming this way. And that's going through the 7-up junction. Or at least the yard the other side of the crossing. Oh, 25 appears to be going to come out, so that's good. And that should have the catfish on the back. Difficult to see from here at the moment. Yeah, it has, yeah. Something's happening down the yard. I'm not quite sure what, to be honest. Still hear the 25 messing about. hoping it will come back through. Ah, it looks like the catfish are coming back through. And they're going into the same siding as the OAAs. So obviously making up a train to go somewhere later on. Yeah, we're not going to see the 25, that's still back under the bridge, unfortunately. I've just noticed the signal has changed for this 47, so that might be going somewhere. And the 08's coming back by the sounds of that. Yep. That'll be 08173 coming back through. Oh, it's got a VAA on the back. He never seems to move much, does he? Stop him there. Coming back into the siding. Good job of come down this end. Thought I heard a 47, so let's go up to 7 up junction. Just still waiting to see if anything's going to happen over the back with the catfish and the OAAs. Doesn't appear to be much, but anyway, I can hear another 25. Oh. What have we got? Ah, another 25. 25.3 this time. 25.285. So he's waiting to do something. I've moved further back and down the embankment to get a better view of this 25, so I'm just waiting for that to come out now. Oh, something happening behind me as well. Hold on. Let's have a look and see what that is. The 08, isn't it? Gonna be. Maybe doing something. So yeah, he's got the signal now, so he's away. Go down to 7 Junction. Blowing the horn for the crossing, and away he goes. Well, there we go, another little running session. I hope you enjoyed it as much as I did. It's nice to have a little play with bits and pieces, and some of the sounds like the OH, 47s, 25s, those sort of things, absolutely love them. So I can never get enough of that. So there we go. We'll keep the videos going as long as we can. Thanks again for watching. Cheers now. Bye.